welcome to the demo scene for the Demon Dog character pack from Infinity PBR. This is our latest character, and it works with the Malbers Animations Realistic Wolf character pack. So if you have both packs, then you can use both animations interchangeably and all the characters interchangeably as well. Let's get right into it. We've got a lot of things going on here. So first, let's look at the textures. We've got a few body sets that you can use out of the box, and of course the bonus files with the Substance Painter file will allow you to create your own textures for that as well. This one has a little sort of patched fabric look out of it to get more of a horror look. We also have a few different eye options here. This one is actually my favorite, and it's just a black sphere, but it is, to me, the most creepy and unnerving of the bunch. We can also set our blend shapes up here. Actually, let me go back to one of the other bodies, and you can randomize through the blend shapes, or you can set these up yourself if you want to make specific looks between thicker or thinner dogs and whatnot. And if you also combine with scaling the dog, you could of course make larger dogs and smaller dogs as well. And we have the super random button here, so you can kind of get a sense for a lot of the different looks you can get just by randomizing these together. There we go. So we're going to reset all these. And let's look at the animations. Now again, these do work with the Malbers animations, so if you have those, then you can use them with this package, and you can of course use these animations with the Malbers package. First, we've got our directional got hit here. So if I come up a little bit right there, you can see that there are actually 4 different directions for the got hit, and we're blending through them via code in the animator. So this is a script you can adapt for your own project, and that way, no matter where the hit comes from, the dog reacts fairly reasonably. In other words, doesn't get, if they get hit from the side, they don't go to the opposite side. If they get hit from the back or front, they don't react as if they got hit from the opposite direction. So it's just a little bit more realistic there. We have our walk backwards here. A little cautious walk backwards. We also have a bunch of locomotion forward. And so if we go forward here, then we can start with a stalking animation where he's stalking forward. And as we slowly increase that walk speed, you'll see us transition through a regular walk to a trot and a jog and ultimately a run. And he ran off the maps. Alright, so we have a couple of attack animations here. Some bark animations as well. These of course can be randomized in your animator and with some scripting to get some more dynamic actions out of the character. Also this howl. One where he kind of shakes his body off a little bit. Two animations where he scratches his neck left and right. And I am sure you've seen what's coming next. We also have some pee animations where you can kind of get him to pee. You can add your own liquid particles for that one. There's also a loop for each of those as well. Simple ones where they just looks left and right. You could of course use an animation mask or avatar mask to make that add to the other animation, so while he's walking, he can look left and right as well. There are a lot of animations in this package that are not all shown in the demo. There are multiple different idle styles that you can use as well, and if you have the Malbers Animation Realistic Wolf, then those animations will work as well. So you've got many animations options for this character.